I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Oreo truffles, a simple and delightful treat perfect for any occasion. We'll start by gathering just 3 main ingredients. You'll need 1 package of cream-filled chocolate sandwich cookies, an 8-ounce block of softened cream cheese, and 1 12-ounce bag of chocolate melting wafers. These simple components are all you need to create a truly impressive dessert that everyone will love. Now, let's prepare the base for our truffles. Take about 36 of your cream-filled cookies and crush them very finely. A food processor works wonderfully for this, creating a consistent crumb. Remember to set aside the remaining 9 cookies for a beautiful garnish later. Next, combine these fine cookie crumbs with your softened 8-ounce block of cream cheese. Mix everything together thoroughly until you have a well-combined, pliable dough. This forms the delicious core of your truffles. With your mixture ready, it's time to shape our truffles. Roll the cookie and cream cheese dough into small, uniform 1-inch balls. Aim for consistency so they look great on your serving platter. Once shaped, place these little spheres onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This prevents sticking. Now, the crucial step. Chill your truffle balls in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This firming up period is essential for them to hold their shape perfectly when we dip them. Finally, let's give our truffles their beautiful chocolate coating. Melt your 12-ounce bag of chocolate melting wafers according to the instructions on the package. A microwave or double boiler works well. Carefully dip each thoroughly chilled truffle into the warm, melted chocolate, ensuring it's completely covered. Gently tap off any excess chocolate. Place the coated truffles back onto your parchment-lined sheet to set. While the chocolate is still wet, sprinkle your reserved crushed cookies over them for a delightful finish. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.